All right, so let's look at what we are going to see on our STAR test. We're going to do like kind of a little practice STAR test. So on your STAR test, you're going to see for your writing test, it's going to say written composition expository. So we're going to be writing an expository piece today instead of a narrative piece. So it says, read the information in the box below. And this section of your prompt is a quote that President Franklin D. Roosevelt said. Okay, so let's see what he said. President Franklin D. Roosevelt once said, "Nobody will ever deprive the American people of the right to vote except the American people themselves. And the only way they could do this is by not voting." So all this is a quote that he said about voting. Now, this blue section here is your prompt. First, you're going to think about how important voting is to Americans. After you think about that, you're going to write about why it is important for people to vote in local and state elections. So, this is the super important part when we start writing. That's your prompt. You're going to write about why it is important for people to vote in local and state elections. I'm going to move this over, sorry. And we're going to look at our rubric today. These are the things that you need to include in your writing. You want to state your central idea, so your main idea. You want to make sure your writing is organized. You want to develop your writing in detail. Choose your words carefully. And finally, use correct spelling, capitalization, punctuation, grammar, and sentences.